Hey y'all, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today is the 22nd, which is the day you're watching this. That's a little new for me, isn't it? Anyways, so Thursday, Aaron and I are going to go see my mom. She is 6.5 hours away, my mom and dad. They're 6.5 hours away. They live in Tennessee and we are so excited to go see them. But I keep like feeling like the house isn't clean enough for me to leave, which is silly because there's just some dishes in the sink and some laundry that needs to be folded. But when it comes down to the wire, it's like there's so many things you could do, but do you have enough time to do them all? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna read a comment from the all day clean and cook with me that I just uploaded. April said, new subscriber, I'm so glad I found your channel. I live in a 98 model mobile home and I have wallpaper almost like yours, but mine has red and pink flowers on it. Love the video. That is so sweet. And then Maria Mays with Life. No storm here, but lots and lots of rain. Oregon coast. New subscriber. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Let's see if there's any more new ones that I haven't read before. Okay, Shonda's Kitchen Shenanigans said, the Awesome makes a better clothing stain remover. When my son gets filthy after working with horses, I'll use it and it takes the dirt out. That is really good to know. So she was commenting on the Dollar Tree cleaning product like test to review video, and she was mentioning that the Awesome multi-purpose spray works on clothing stain as a clothing stain remover. So that is really good to know, and I will try that. All right, so without further ado, let's get some cleaning done, shall we? I'm also going to update y'all on my table situation because I have been doing a little DIY.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
so update on my table. It's so hard to get this in frame because it's so tall, I think. So I painted this. There is a video previously this past week showing what I did, but I just took regular acrylic paint and I tried my best to make it kind of look like the center of a tree with all the rings. So this is a very old tree. And then I put polyacrylic over it. I've done 2 coats so far, and I will do a third. And then my chairs, this is what they did look like. The table also used to be that same color. So the chairs, I wanted it to look a little farmhousey. So I did light and dark. I did not do a very good job. It looks, these have not been sealed yet. But that is what the seat of the chair looks like. I had originally painted it this light mocha color. So when I went back through with the burnt umber, it still looks lighter than the table because I did paint it lighter, like the whole seat lighter. But Aaron was like, no, I think if you did the table that pattern, then you should do the seat of the chairs that pattern too. So I'm like, okay, chairs are a lot different than a table because these are kind of raised. They're not flat chairs. They go up a little bit, I feel like, and they narrow down here. They get smaller, so the shape is a little different than doing the table. But that is the update. I'm probably not going to finish my chairs until we get back, but I do like how it's coming along, and I think it is really pretty. It is very, very rustic looking. And that was my goal. So I do like it, but you can tell it's definitely not professionally done. But what's wrong with that? Nothing. And I got my little aloe plant right there, and that's all that's going to be on the table. So, alrighty. Now to laundry.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. You and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike, as we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh, you, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say, you're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind. All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of.
Alright, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this cleaning video and you got some motivation out of it. It's hot in here because my dryer is on, but I will see y'all back here tomorrow for another video. I think that one is also, that one is a cook and clean with me, I'm pretty sure. And then I will have another video on the 26th for you, and on the 28th you will see a house tour, a mobile home house tour, because I've never officially done one of those. We have a giant kayak in our hallway right now, but you will see that, and it's going to be a realistic house tour, like what it would look like if you came in and you were friends with me in real life and walked into my house unexpected. That is what it would look like. So I will show you all that very, very soon. So subscribe if you are new, leave your comments down below. In the next video I'll read more comments, and I will see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't need